Hello, welcome back to another video of X++ programming language. In this video, we'll talk about one important operation in case of string. Okay, as you can see that this is our input. For example, we have a RMA 1, 2, 3, 4, and in middle RT is there, then 5 is there, Z is there, and 6 is there. But we want a string without this alphabetic character. So we want the final output like this one 1 2 3 4 5 6. We want to remove all the characters that are present in that string. In the similar fashion, if there will be any RMA like this one, and after that if we have the number, then we want only number. Okay, so the character may be 2, 3 or 4, or the number of character may vary in case of your string, but we only want only digits, not the alphabetic character. So one more example, as you can see that there is a RB and we have number, so we excluded the RB and we get our result like 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this particular digits may change, but we don't want any character. So how we can implement that, let's discuss about it. Okay, so as you can see that we are inside our VM and we have a main method or main function is present over here, and we have a input string like RMA 1 2 3 4 RT 5 Z 6, and we have a remove alphabetic function characters. We have created this one, and this one we have created as a static one, so that we can call it through the class name directly. Okay, and we are using these remove alphabetic characters in this particular main method. Through the class name, we are calling the function with the with our input string. So it will go over here, and here you can see we are trying to create a output string, and we are returning that output string to the calling function, and we are printing it to the front end using the info. Okay, and now here the major important operation is there. So whatever the character is present in the input string, we are looping through each and every character and one by one. If one particular character is not alphabet, then we are including it to the output string. Okay, so for example, we have a alpha function, and this function, what it will do, it will actually take the substring, and in the substring we are passing I and 1. Okay, so if you don't know about the substr function, so let me discuss about it. This substr actually retrieves a part of the string. Here the first input here, that is the text, which is the original string that we are passing over here, and for each and every step of the loop we are passing here I, and this one is the nothing but the position in the original string where the part of the string actually retrieve begins, and here is the positions 1. That means each and every time it will change its position from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, like this one, and it will try to identify one particular character, and if that particular character is alpha means this one is the function. You can see that here is our function. So if it will be inside the A to Z, capital letter or small letter inside this, then it will send a true value because there is a OR operation. So that's why if it will be a alphabetic character, then it will send it to true. Okay, and in the whole operation you can see there is a not operator over here. So if that will be the alphabet, then it will not go to this particular loop, not inside this if condition, inside this condition. And if it will be digits, then it will go inside this, and it will concatenate the output string with the output string, and which is actually at the beginning it was the blank character, and if it will find out any kind of digits, then it will concatenate with the output string, and at the last it will send the result to the calling function. Okay, so here it will give you the result like 1 2 3 4 5 6, and each and every characters it will discard or remove from the string. Okay, so that's the code that I wanted to show you. So if you have any question, you can ask it in the comment sections, and if you have have any confusion about the substr, so for that we have a different video, you can see that as well. But still in this video I have discussed about the substr. It will take 3 parameters. The first one is the original string, and the second one is the position, and the third one is the number of the integer of the positions to retrieve from the original string. And from the position, ith position, we are taking one single character at a time, so that's why we have given here 1. You can give here 2, 3 like this one in any other kind of operation, but in this case we require 1 because we are trying to evaluate each and every character or digits that is present inside the input string, so that's why. And it can be the third element or the third parameter, it can be the sign integer. If it is a positive number, then it will go towards the forward direction, and if it will be the negative sign, the substring will backward from the specific positions. So that's the difference between the signed and unsigned number over here, okay, in the third parameter. So I hope you understood. And if you will execute this particular code, you will get the output like 1 2 3 4 5 6 like this way, okay. That means the digits only. So I hope now it's clear that how you can use it, okay. Other than the previous approach, you can use this kind of approach as well. You can see that we have the function remove alphabet characters, and here we are trying to use a different approach. For example, here we are trying to identify the characters from 0 to 9, and if it is lies in between the 0 and 9, then we are trying to concatenate. So that means it append the numeric characters to the output string. So if it will be digits like 1 2 3 4, and if it will lies inside this, then it will only concatenate and it will give you the output. In the similar fashion, if you will execute this particular code, this code will also give you the same output, that is the 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you can also use this approach as well. So based on your requirement you can use, so based on your choice you can use. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.